Okay students, so today I am going to explain you rounding off to nearest tens. You know how we round off the numbers to the nearest tens? Look, in the tens, in tens, okay, in tens we have numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And after 90 what we have, we will go on 100, but till tens we have numbers like this. Okay, so round off means जब हम for example we have number 51. 51 is for number 51 we have two number to round off. या तो हम पीछे ले जाएं 50 पे, या तो हम आगे ले जाएं 60 पे. ओके, if we have the number 51, if the question is rounding off to the nearest tens means it's 51, we have to go on 50 or we have to go on 60. but how we will find out कि हमें नंबर को 50 पे लेके जाना है या 60 पे लेके जाना है? It will decide the last unit of the number. It will decide the last unit of the number, and the last unit of the number is 1. If you have the second or last unit of the number is 1 till 4, so the round off goes back. But if you have the numbers, till 5 to 9, then round off goes will go ahead. If we have numbers till 5 till 9, then the round off goes ahead. Okay, so for example, if you have the numbers 65, so round off goes ahead or round off goes back. You have 5, so round off will go on 70. Round off will go on 70. But if you have the number 4, 64, so round off goes back on 60. Okay, this is called round off. When you round off the number to the nearest tens, so it will be 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It depends on the number, that what number you have. Now look, for example, you have the number 48. So you have two options, 50 or 40. If round off goes back, then it will be go on 40, and if round off goes ahead, then it will be go on 50. So अगर आगे जाएगा तो 50 पे जाएगा obviously 48, और अगर पीछे जाएगा तो 40 पे जाएगा. You have 8. The number 5, when you have number second digit or last digit bigger than 5 or 5, so round off goes ahead, round off आगे जाता है, so it becomes 50. If you have the question that round off 74 to the nearest tens, so first you will think that how many options do you have? You have 70 and 80. Now you will check that what is the second digit. Second digit is 4, means less than 5. So round off goes back. So the answer you will give is 70. So the answer will be 70. Okay, this is called round off. Look, if you have number 36, if you have number 36, so how many options you have? You have one option 40 and one option 30. If round off goes ahead, so it will be go on 40, but if round off goes back, it will be go on 30. So you have the number 36. Now we will check the digit. It's 6 bigger than 5, number bigger than 5, 6, so round off goes ahead, so the answer will be 40. Round off answer will be 40. Okay, this is very simple. If you learn the steps that how you will find out, first you will find the numbers, find the options, that how many options you have, and then you will check the number, that what is the second digit of the number, then you can easily find out. Just like this, if I ask you about the number 75, so you have two options, 80 or 70. Okay, 80 or 70. So where round off goes on? It's 5. I told you that when you have the second or last digit 5 or bigger than 5, then round off goes ahead. 5 भी होगा, so round off goes ahead. So round off goes ahead. So the answer will be, round off आगे जाएगा 80. Okay, just like this, if you have the number 92, so you have two options, 100. 92 के बाद ऑब्वियसली कोई टेंस नंबर नहीं आता, 100 आता है, so 100 और 90. So obviously this is the number, this number is smaller than 5, so it will be go back, so the answer will be 19. But in case you have the number, you have number 6 here, 96, so 6 is bigger than 5, so the round off goes on 100, round off will goes on 100. It's not a tens number, but obviously 90 के बाद हमारे पास कोई टेंस का नंबर होता ही नहीं है, 100 ही होता है, so it will be go on 100. Okay, so this is called rounding off to nearest tens. This procedure is called rounding off. आगे we will learn rounding off to nearest 100, rounding off to nearest 1000, but first we have to learn rounding off to nearest tens. So do practice as much as possible, because without practice you cannot learn anything in mathematics. Okay, so do practice as much as you can. Jazakallah.